There are numerous items accessible to the portable power station, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best portable power station from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Jackery Portable Power Station. Pure sine wave AC outlet, 2 USB-A ports, and 1x12 VDC automotive port to cost your street journey necessities similar to smartphones, laptops, cameras, followers, lights, and so forth. Go-through charging is supported. The facility station may be recharged by the Jackery Solar Saga 60 photovoltaic panel or Solar Saga 100 photovoltaic panel. Its built-in MPPT controller allows the photovoltaic panel to function at its max energy level for the ability station to be recharged at its highest effectivity. 2 alternative routes to recharge, via the wall outlet or the automotive outlet. The Jackery Explorer 240 movable energy station has been featured because the greatest movable energy station to be used within the outdoor by digital traits. A basic alternative on your choose. This entry-level movable energy station is supplied with a 240 Wh lithium-ion battery pack, weighing solely at 6.6 kilos. The stable deal with makes it straightforward to hold round for outside adventures similar to tent tenting, highway journey, yard tenting, and so forth. Number 2. Aliexpress Portable Power Station. Pure sine wave AC inverter make it working sooner, quieter, and extra secure. Shield the protection of the machine being charged, fully wholesome, and environmentally pleasant. With USB-C PD 100W quick charging port, Aliexpress movable charger can energy PD laptops 40% sooner greater than regular laptop computer adapter. Aliexpress movable energy station 300W is supplied with 288 WH78000 mAh capability in a smaller, lighter, and extra compact battery pack design. It's highly effective, sufficient to cost a CPAP or lamp for entire nights, smartphone 40+ occasions, laptop computer 4+ occasions, mini refrigerator 5+ hours, digital camera 25+ occasions. Aliexpress movable energy station can recharge from AC adapter and USB-C PD 60W concurrently. That takes solely 2 hours from 0–80%. You may as well totally recharge it by clear solar energy or 12V divided by 24V cigarette lighter. A number of charging strategies preserve your movable generator all the time full at any time when you're at residence, tenting, or on street journey. Number 3. 200W Portable Power Station. Options with a C, DC, USB outputs, 110 AC output, 2 DC output, 2 QC 3.0 fast cost USB port, and 1 USB ports. Energy your smartphone, pill, laptop computer, digital camera, gentle, drones, followers, in-car home equipment, CPAP machine, and extra at any time. Kindly note that the power station cannot be charged and used at the same time. The ERA gives all-round safety to guard you towards overcurrent, overvoltage, and overtemperature, making certain the protection of you and your gadgets. Flashfish gives our expensive prospects with guarantee of 12 months from the date of buy and pleasant customer support. The standalone AC, DC gives straightforward operation when charging totally different gadgets. 2 multifunction LCD show would present you the remaining energies, cost, discharge, AC output, DC output standing. Extremely vibrant LCD display screen let you understand the statue of battery pack, even no gentle supply tenting. Number 4. MARBRO88WH Portable Power Station. Tremendous slim measurement and lightweight weight. Movable energy station with compact deal with design will not be just for emergency energy at residence, but additionally for tenting or wherever you want energy when on the go. Excellent for varsity college students to cost telephone, laptop computer, iPad, PSP, digital camera, Wi-Fi headphones, and so forth. 88WH movable rechargeable energy station with 2 strategies to cost the movable energy station. On the wall, you may totally cost the ability provide by way of AC outlet with 5 hours, or it may be charged beneath the solar with a MARBRO photovoltaic panel. Number 5. VTONC Portable Power Station. VTONC Energy Station is supplied with the wonderful battery administration system, defend gadgets via temperature management, overvoltage safety, overcurrent safety, and brief circuit safety capabilities, and detects brief circuits and overloads when performing incorrect operations. You'll be able to recharge your energy station with an AC adapter when at residence, driving the automotive outlet throughout a street journey, or just use a VTONC energy station. Movable deal with makes it straightforward to hold round for outside actions, significantly handy to hold. Designed lightweight, just 6.6 pounds, and has a stable deal with for simple to hold. Geared up with an 18W vibrant emergency flashlight on the again, which might mission a strong beam of as much as 500 meters and is appropriate for large area lighting. It's good for outside tenting and catastrophe prevention. There are 4 lighting modes you may simply change. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.